So how much money should I expect to spend on my restaurants? How much of a restaurant I can afford? And this is what we're going to be addressing in 3, 2, 1, and here we go. Hello everybody, my name is Sham, known in the community as a responsible restaurant owner. And since 2008, I've been helping people open and run their first successful restaurant out of the Silicon Valley, California. And I'm now sharing and helping people all over the world. So this video is a response to my dear friend, Real Shockwave King. Real Shockwave King, what a name. Thank you so much for the question. And well, we can spend lots of time talking about the different variables, and the truth of the matter is that I made also some research to see if there is any other better answers than the one I have. And the truth of the matter is that no, lots of people tell you, oh, there is so many variables, there is basic little formulas, and what I'm going to do in this video, because we're going to be talking about lots of numbers, is that I'm going to make it happen on the comment section. There is a little formula I have used in the past, and it has always been extremely accurate. All you have to do is remove my numbers and put your number. There is one variable that you're going to need to answer for me, for us to be able to crunch all the numbers and do estimates and forecasts. How much do you plan to sell? There is also two little assumptions that I'm going to need you to make. One is that people are waiting for your concept, and people are going to love and like your concept and your restaurant, that you're going to be able to respond to a current demand of your market. Two, that you're going to be successful. You know, lots of people shoot themselves in the foot even before they get started, always finding a reason to sabotage themselves. You need to be sure and confident that you're going to succeed. Why? Besides the fact that you have the responsible restaurant owner on your side, well, because other restaurants have been able to succeed, because it's a business, because there are systems, and that is the reason why it is going to work for you. So please definitely check out the comment section. Let me know what you think, and until we meet again, remember, the secret ingredient is love, baby. It's love.